Hello dear friend, there is a ton of quality budget rice cooker, but which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget rice cooker. I have made a list based on performance, features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
Starting off at number 1, we have the Zojirushi NS-TSC10. The dimensions of this rice cooker are 10 by 8.5 by 14 inches, and it weighs around 9.45 pounds. This rice cooker supports up to 5.5 cups of uncooked rice, which is enough to feed a small family. Utilizing Zojirushi's fuzzy logic technology, this rice cooker is an amazing piece of technology. It has a ton of features and produces some of the best tasting rice we've ever had. You can choose between white rice, sushi, mixed, brown, and more. There's an automatic keep warm feature, so if you're not planning to eat or have other pieces of a dish to cook, then the rice cooker can keep your rice at the right temperature until you're ready. The machine has a sleek design and will fit in with any kitchen. Having a clear-coated stainless steel exterior, you can easily clean this machine. It features 2 delay time settings, so you can cook while you sleep or have it ready for you when you get home from a long day of work. The beep signal alerting you when it's done is interchangeable and will notify you when it's done. A retractable power cord helps keep your counter space clean and tidy. At number 2, we have the Instant Pot IP Duo 60. The dimensions of this electric pressure cooker are 13.4 by 12.2 by 12.5 inches, and it weighs around 11.8 pounds. This multi-purpose pressure cooker functions amazingly as a rice cooker due to its wide variety of settings and options to choose from. Not only does it function as a rice cooker, but it's also a steamer, pressure cooker, slow cooker, yogurt maker, and more. With one-touch settings to easily choose the type of food you would like, this machine is very easy to use and cooks fast. The components in the lid are dishwasher safe, making this appliance extremely easy to clean. Alongside getting the machine, you also get a free app that is available on iOS and Android. Included in the app are hundreds of recipes that are makeable with the Instant Pot IP Duo 60. Safety is a priority when using these types of machines, as many people use them when they sleep or they're at work, and the Instant Pot IP Duo 60 has over 10 built-in safety features, such as a safety lock, overheating protection, and more. The capacity varies from 3 quarts to 8 quarts. We prefer the 6-quart version, as this capacity is enough to be able to cook for 6 people, which is perfect for families. At number 3, we have the Aroma Housewares ARC 914 SPD. The dimensions of this rice cooker are 8.2 by 9 by 8.5 inches, and it weighs around 3.6 pounds. This 8-cup rice cooker and steamer is a perfect budget option for those people who only need it once a week or so. It's a great versatile rice cooker. It has a lot of different settings to choose from, and it can even steam food. It has some great features, such as a flash rice function that cuts cooking time by 50%, or a delay timer, which can delay cooking up to 15 hours. Alongside the rice cooker, you also get some accessories, such as a non-stick inner pot, rice paddle, plastic steamer tray, and a rice measuring cup. The multifunction use of this rice cooker is great because you can cook steamed vegetables, and a variety of different rice dishes, or even a cake. At number 4, we have the Tiger JBV A10U. The dimensions of this rice cooker are 13.9 by 10.6 by 8.4 inches, and it weighs around 5.7 pounds. This unique rice cooker has some great features. The synchro cooking function makes it possible to cook your main dish, while also cooking your rice at the same exact time. The inner pan is non-stick and very easy to clean. Accessories that you get with this rice cooker are a non-stick spatula, cooking plate, cookbook, and a measuring cup. The cooker has 4 different settings you can choose from, ranging from synchrony cooking, brown rice, plain rice, and slow cooking. The machine can be purchased in a 10-cup version, but we opted for the 5.5-cup version instead. At number 5, we have the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10. The dimensions of this rice cooker are 13 by 8.1 by 10.1 inches, and it weighs around 3 pounds. This machine comes with a whole range of different features that allow you to cook a huge variety of rice dishes, ranging from regular white rice, brown, semi-brown, sweet, porridge, harder, and more. It has a wide choice of features. It supports 5.5 cups, and just like our first pick, it utilizes neuro-fuzzy logic technology to bring you amazingly cooked rice. By using a spherical non-stick inner pan, it allows for even distribution of heat in cooking. Accessories included are 2 measuring cups, rice spoon holder, recipes, and a non-stick rice scooper. The NS-ZCC10 also has a keep warm feature and a reheat cycle. At number 6, we have the Aroma Housewares ARC 743 1NG. The dimensions of this rice cooker are 11.1 by 10.4 by 8.1 inches, and it weighs around 3.7 pounds. Being a budget rice cooker, this appliance still has a good range of features. You can choose between 2 and 6 cups of rice for each cook, and it can be any variety. The rice cooker not only supports rice cooking, but also food steaming. You can steam meat and vegetables in this machine, and have your rice cooking below it at the same time. The machine has a one-touch start and stop button, with an automatic keep warm feature, which is great for those who just want a simple, easy-to-use rice cooker. Accessories included are a steam tray, tempered glass lid, rice measuring cup, and a serving spatula. At number 7, we have the Aroma Housewares ARC 150 SB. The dimensions of this rice cooker are 11.1 by 11.2 by 10.8 inches, and it weighs around 5 pounds. This rice cooker supports a huge amount of rice, and lets you cook up to 20 cups of cooked or 10 cups of uncooked. I would go for this model if I had a large family and need to cook large quantities. The appliance has multifunctional use and can be used to cook other dishes. The built-in steamer can be used to make other dishes while the rice cooks below. The settings are very simple and easy to use, and this rice cooker is very easy to clean. Accessories included are a rice measuring cup, non-stick inner pot, and rice spatula. At number 8, we have the BLACK+DECKER RC506. The dimensions of this rice cooker are 10 by 9 by 7.5 inches, and it weighs around 3.77 pounds. Being the cheapest appliance in our video, this rice cooker is very budget friendly. Although it doesn't have a huge variety of features, it still does the basics well. The 6-cup version can produce 6 cups of cooked rice and uses 3 cups of uncooked rice. Although it is a budget option, it still has the automatic keep warm feature, and the rice pot inside is non-stick. A food steaming basket is also included, so you can cook your veggies, meats, or fish. Overall, it's a great little simple machine for those that don't need all the bells and whistles. And at number 9, we have the Hamilton Beach 375-18. The dimensions for this appliance are 8.2 by 9.7 by 9.9 inches, and it weighs around 4 pounds. Being a mid-range option, this digital programmable rice cooker can cook 8 cups of cooked and uses 4 cups of uncooked rice. The stainless steel design is great and it's very sleek. It'll have no issues fitting into any modern kitchen. The pre-programmed settings let you cook and steam food with just the touch of a button, and it makes it very handy for those not so experienced in rice cooking. You can steam other dishes above the rice while it cooks, such as seafood or veggies, making this rice cooker a multi-purpose appliance and giving you even better value for money.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.